Hello, we're going to explain two different problems from the study guide that are related with limits. The first one is a graph that we're going to draw here, and the other one is algebraically. Thank you.
This is a graph for the piecewise function, and we're gonna get the limit. In this case, they are asking for limit 1 minus. What does this mean? It means that we're gonna look from left to right. In this case, if we go to number 1 and we look to the nearest approach to the y-axis, it is number 2. So your answer will be limit of 1 minus will be 2.
Okay, so now we're gonna find the answer approaching it from the right side, from the positive side in positive 1. So if we approach it, we'll get to the y answer of negative 1.
If they're asking you for the limit of 1 without any sign in the right, like an exponent, then you'll have them does not exist, because you have two lines that approach the same number but in different y values. So as you can see, you have negative 1 from the right side and 2 from the left side. So you have no limit in here.
So the following problem is, find the limit of x3, and the equation is 2x2 plus 3x minus 27 over x2 minus 3x. So the first thing you need to do is to factorize the upper part, and when you factorize, you get two parentheses. You get 2x minus 9 and x minus 3. So how did I get this number? By factorizing, I did it this way. Two numbers that multiplying can adding or subtracting make 3, and in this case was 2x minus 9, x minus 3.
Okay, so now we're gonna solve in the denominator. We're gonna get the common factor, that is x, and you get x minus 3. And you can see you have x minus 3 on the denominator and on the top. So because they are multiplying with the other exponent or equation, you can cross them.
Without these two parentheses, then you have the final equation, that is 2x minus 9 over x. Then you can plug this value into the equation, so you get 2 times 3 minus 9 over 3. Get 6 minus 9 over 3 minus 3 over 3 equals negative 1. So the limit of x approaching 3 is negative 1. Thank you.
Okay, so these are two ways of getting the limits, 2 out of 3 ways. So we get both of the answers and hope you enjoy our presentation. We have graphically and algebraically, and we can also get the limit numerically, but you can see this numerically in other classmates' video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
So these two problems, we got them from the study guide. They were 1A and 9, and they were very helpful for us to study for our exam.
No, no sé.